Double-click to Quick Mask option. Then select Select Areas. Select Brush tool. Select black color to make selection. And first select only skin. When your selection complete, then press Q. Then go to HUE Saturation, click Colorize. Then adjust on your way. Use same method for t-shirt. Illustrator, vector dreams unfold, lines crisp and clean, like stories never told. Use again same method for pant. Secrets in my ear, RGB symphonies, visions so clear. Then background. Design in the air, from Photoshop to Blender, limitless grind, crafting illusions, enchanting the mind.